If your garbage disposer is not working, here are the top 4 most probable causes. Batch feed disposers use a stopper to activate a start switch to run the appliance. If the start switch is defective, the disposer won't work. You should first check to see if a house fuse has blown or a circuit breaker has tripped. If you've determined the disposer should be receiving power, you can use a multimeter to test the start switch for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the switch. If the switch tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Many disposers are hardwired to a wall switch in the kitchen. If the switch is faulty, the disposer won't turn on. Again, you can use a multimeter to test the wall switch for continuity to help determine if the part has failed. It's also possible that the disposer's motor has worn out. Since the motor is not replaceable, you will need to install a new disposer to solve the problem. In order to protect the motor, disposers have a safety switch that will shut the appliance off if the grinding plate jams. Try pressing the red button on the side or bottom of the disposer to reset it. You should also attempt to manually turn the motor and grinding plate to clear any obstruction. To do this, insert an Allen wrench into the opening on the bottom of the housing and rotate it back and forth. If your model doesn't have an opening on the bottom, a wooden broom handle can be inserted through the drain opening to turn the plate. If the disposer still won't work, it's possible the safety switch is defective. As with the other switches, you can use a multimeter to help determine if the switch has failed. You can find many garbage disposer parts and accessories on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific part that will fit or fix your garbage disposer.